Hey, what's up, guys? So we're back here with Jeremy from marketing here at Blackvue, and you guys have a new line of dash cams, the Safy 9.
So Safy is a brand new sub-brand of Blackvue. This is an OEM product. It's made in China.
Not in Korea.
Yeah, it's not made in Korea, unlike Blackvue. It's a new product that we developed with a manufacturer in China.
Kind of like a lower end model compared to like the previous ones, right?
Yes, sort of. At the same time, we try to still give the best image quality possible you can have for the price. This model is 4K front and Full HD rear, and it uses a Safy sensor, not Safy 2, unlike the Blackvue ones, but Safy sensor IMX415.
So we've got the IMX415 here for the front cam. What about for the rear cam?
So the rear cam is a different sensor. It's non-Sony sensor, and it's in Full HD.
And then design-wise, I can see it's also very different. It's not like a tube-shaped one like the DR9 series.
That's also one of the reasons why we wanted to create this different brand, where you have a different design philosophy. Yeah, with these big buttons, you can press
we've got an
big
LCD
tactile button and the LCD. Yeah. So it's really for people who love simplicity and might not want to bother too much with, all the cool features that you might have with Blackvue dash cams.
So like feature-wise, there's no cloud connectivity in this one, correct?
No cloud on this model, yeah.
And then as far as like the parking recording modes, does it have like collision detection, buffered motion detection? Does it have that kind of stuff?
Yeah, exactly. In that way, it's pretty similar to how the parking mode works on Blackvue models. So yeah, you have this motion and impact detection, and also with buffered recording.
What about some other like key differences compared to what we're used to from Blackvue?
I guess the main difference is you have to use the Safy app if you want to connect to your smartphone. So all the Blackvue dashcams, you use the Blackvue app, and then you can connect to any Blackvue dashcam. For the Safy, it has its own separate app for this specific model.
And I noticed it's called the Safy 9, but this is like the first Safy. Like where's 1 through 8?
So that's where the similarity with the Blackvue branding is, because the 9 for Blackvue is all the 4K model. We started with GR900,
900, 970.
970, that's all the 4K front and Full HD rear. That's kind of the reference.
And so what's the thought process behind calling this a Safy and not like a different Blackvue dash cam?
If you look at the form factor, pretty much all Blackvue ever released. There were maybe a couple exceptions in the whole history of Blackvue. We had like 2 dashcam in total with a screen. The 750 LW, that was like 2014. And then there was another model later, like a 490L. And that's it. So overall, the Blackvue design has remained pretty similar with this nice, sleek, stealthy design, and also, of course, screenless. So having this dash cam with the screen and these things are a bit too different, we thought, to call it a Blackvue. So rather than confusing our customers, we thought let's just create a different brand with a little bit different design philosophy, so that people don't get confused about, how is it same or different from the other Blackvue.
I can see that, yeah, because I always think of like Blackvue as synonymous with cloud. And if this one doesn't have cloud, I'm like, well, that's weird.
Exactly, that's another key point, yeah.
Okay, yeah, and then as far as like pricing and availability for this one, what can we expect?
So this one is already on the market, available on safydirect.com. You can get it starting from $199 for the base model with a 64 gigabyte microSD card.
And then are there plans for like other Safy models too, maybe different resolutions, different features?
Sure. Right now I cannot, disclose any specifics, but we're working on adding more models to the Safy lineup. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And down in the video description for this video, I'll put links to like where you can learn more about the dash cam if you want to pick one up. Maybe you want to watch the video on the Blackvue series dash cams that we just did. But other than that, thanks again, Jeremy. Thanks for showing us all these dash cams.
Thank you, Ariel, as always. Always great to have you here at SEMA.
Yeah, likewise. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos from here at SEMA. There's a lot of cool stuff, Blackvue included.